What is happening, Automotive Fanatics? It's Peter, your Automotive Fanatic, coming at you with another, I'll call it follow me video with the Mini Cooper GP. I hope you guys enjoyed the cold start on the Mini GP's motor. I think it sounds awesome. And once those valves close, it's nice and quiet. We are actually in the car and we are getting ready to head up to North LA. It is post 2 weeks of the purchase of the GP and I am having it tuned. Again, we are heading up to North LA to meet up with a very famous tuner by the name of Mario. He is a tuner that uses a tune called MarioKart that is pretty famous amongst the Mini community. So I'm super excited to head on up there. I'll see you guys shortly. We just crossed over to the 101 from 405, and with LA fashion, we are stuck in a boatload of traffic. So very standard stuff up here. So we made it up to Agora here at Mario's place, and he has already pulled off my ECU for the tune. So let's just go ahead and check it out real quick. This is what he's done so far. He went ahead and removed this side of the brace, and the ECU just sits right there. So he's got it on the bench, and he's just setting the car up to being tuned. So I am looking forward to driving it shortly. So I just wanted to share with you guys some insights as to what the GP2 currently has. Again, it's a stock motor. Everything is pretty much stock on it, but I do have a JB Plus on it that gives it a fair amount of boost. Coming up here, I was seeing anywhere from 18 to 20 pounds of boost on the motor, and it definitely pulls pretty strong. I don't know how much additional boost stage 1 is going to give it, but I'm guessing at least 20. I will be removing the JB Plus because I don't want to stack it on top of the tune just for safety features. But I will definitely share with you guys what I see on my boost gauge once everything is all good to go. We are all done at Mario's place. I am just down at the gas station and filling up with 3 gallons of E85. As Mario had mentioned to me, the tune that we have supports a little higher octane. I did want to also share with you guys, this is kind of his signature trademark gift package. So thank you so much, Mario. We'll be on the road shortly. I will see you guys then. So I am back about halfway home, and wow guys, let me tell you, just wow. The stage 1 tune that Mario put on has really transformed how this GP drives. This thing has pull in every gear, even 6th gear. Obviously you're not gonna be 911 GT3 speed off a 6th gear, but it has pull that's much stronger than the OEM boost levels. Now I drop it down to 5th. Oh my goodness, it's nice. Boost levels I'm seeing are at about 21, not quite 22, so it definitely is boosting higher than the JB Plus that I had installed before, but it's definitely very enjoyable to drive now. I don't even need to drop down to 4th gear to pass at absurd speeds. So it's been really nice so far. Something else that Mario was able to do is he was able to drop the thermostat control temperature down to, I believe it's 185. I used to notice that the GP would hover right around 195 degrees, in regular driving, but now I see it between 180 and 190, which is a nice product, byproduct of the tune. So I've been pretty happy at this point. I'm sure that the tune has adapted to the vehicle, but I'll kind of give you guys a final impression on my way home. So I'll talk to you shortly. I made it back to Orange County, and what a drive that GP is now. Oh my goodness. As I had mentioned during the drive, every gear has some level of pull, and it is drastically faster than OEM. I gotta give it to Mario with that tune. I am fully impressed. Pretty much any gear that you're in gives you some level of pull, but if I'm just cruising and put it into 5th gear, I just cannot believe the amount of pull that car has just from 5th gear. We're talking seriously reckless driving levels of speed. I wish I would have had a dash cam mounted that faces me so you guys could see my reactions. Again, noticeable difference even above the JB4, or I'm sorry, the JB Plus that I had installed before. The JB Plus that I had installed on the car definitely gave it a nice boost in power. I had let you guys know earlier that coming up, I was seeing anywhere from between 17 and close to 20 pounds of boost. So that is sufficient to, again, give the car some decent pull. Now with the tune that Mario installed, I can easily see 21 pounds of boost. And it's very smooth, which I really like about the tune. The other thing that I had mentioned is it's very programmable from Mario's side, where he adjusted my thermostat to drop a little, so that way I'm not running the vehicle so hot. So if you Mini fans are looking for a tune, I highly recommend that you reach out to Mario. I'll go ahead and give you guys his contact information at the descriptions below, but I will tell you right now, you will not be disappointed at all. I am just fully impressed. Again, with the JB Plus before, I thought the car was fast. And now with this tune, holy freaking cow, it's amazing. And it's only a stage 1 tune. Now, if I want to go get an intake, a downpipe, a front mount intercooler, all of the supporting mods are even going to make the tune faster because I can run a stage 2. And honestly, I think at that point, it's just not enjoyable power, because it's just really too much power for this GP2. Right now, it feels excellent. Anything above that is going to be a little more ridiculous. As usual, guys, thank you for checking out this video of the tune. I absolutely love it. I look forward to sharing more content with you guys and hope that it excites you as much as it does me. This is Peter, your Automotive Fanatic, signing off.